What do we have here? Is this the wild and exquisite loud bird? Never before seen rare footage of the loud bird of my channel. Yes, that's right, folks. This is the culprit of all the loud noises on my background noise of my channel. You want to say hi to the people that watch? You guys just gotta growl. Whoa, feisty. Whoa. Is your name Penny? Ow. No. So she's a Hans macaw, and I think she's almost 13. No. So let's see, can I get... Oh, yeah, Oh, yeah, that hits the spot. Oh, does that? Yeah, that hits the spot. Oh, no. I did wrong. But yeah, I'm here. I'm about to go to... Oh, is that poop? Oh, I gotta clean that up. I'm about to go to sleep. I wanted to show you Loud Bird. Let me get a better light in here for you guys. So the light's coming from over there, so it makes a really weird shot. But yeah, this is the Loud Bird. And whoa. Crazy. Whoa. No. Oh. And that camera angle. So, this is a Loud Bird. Her name is Penny. Maybe I'll do some more quick videos with her. I don't know. My phone doesn't have very good video quality, so yeah. So, maybe about 30 seconds of me being quiet and watching her. You gonna say hello? No, you're just gonna scratch your beak. You're a famous bird now. Oh, you're a famous bird. You're a famous bird. Don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, no. Bird shadow. My phone shadow. My crazy hair. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Well, I guess she doesn't want the camera in her face, so we gotta respect that. But yeah, this is the Loud Bird. This is the Loud Bird that you hear. And she's enjoying a scratch. So, thank you guys for watching. This has been Rage Builder. This has been a IRL vlog, I would say. So, if you like these and you want to see me do one once a week about something, or once every 2 weeks, Facebook me, Twitter. I don't have Twitter. What am I saying? Just comment section or Facebook. Or just leave a thumbs up if you want me to do more of these. So, yeah. You gonna take us out, Penny? Ah! She's eating me! Oh God, no.